Welcome to our video on how to revolutionize your business with AI. Today, we will show you how to create an AI chatbot that will change the way you interact with your customers. Step 1. Define your chatbot's purpose. The first step is to determine the purpose of your chatbot. Identify the specific tasks you want your chatbot to perform, such as answering FAQs, scheduling appointments, placing orders, or providing customer support. Step 2. Identify your target audience. To create an effective chatbot, you need to understand your target audience. Identify the demographics, needs, and preferences of your customers to ensure that your chatbot empowers and satisfies them. Step 3. Select an AI chatbot platform. There are many AI chatbot platforms available today, such as Dialogflow, IBM Watson, and Microsoft Bot Framework. Choose a platform that suits your needs and integrates well with your existing systems. Step 4. Choose a chatbot personality and tone. Your chatbot's personality and tone are crucial for engaging your customers. You can choose a gender, age, accent, and language that suits your brand's identity and values. Step 5. Create a chatbot flowchart. A chatbot flowchart defines the conversation between your chatbot and customers. It facilitates the design of the chatbot's dialogues, prompts, and responses. Step 6. Develop a chatbot script. Based on the flowchart, you will need to develop a script for your chatbot. This script should be in the tone of voice of your brand and should cover all possible scenarios and user inputs. Step 7. Train the chatbot. To ensure that your chatbot is efficient and effective, you need to train it. This involves feeding it with sufficient data and testing its responses to various inputs. Step 8. Integrate the chatbot with your systems. Integrating the chatbot with your existing CRM, ERP, or CMS systems will enable you to personalize customer interactions, process orders, track deliveries, and manage customer data. Step 9. Launch the chatbot. Once the chatbot is ready, you can launch it on your website, social media channels, or messaging apps. Make sure to test it thoroughly before going live. Step 10. Monitor and improve the chatbot. Even after the launch, you need to continuously monitor and improve your chatbot's performance. Collect customer feedback and use analytics tools to identify areas of improvement, enhance user experience, and optimize your chatbot's efficiency. Thank you for watching our video on how to revolutionize your business with AI chatbots. We hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to share our video with your colleagues. AI chatbots are the future, and now you're on your way to building one that will take your business to the next level.